Let's take a look at how to run our infrastructure trial. Starting from the Brown Pearson Access Next training site, you're going to log in with your school email and password. Your password for the Blue operational site and the Brown infrastructure trial site will be the same. First thing to do once you log in is check to make sure you're in the correct administration. You should be in the spring 2023 MCAS for grades 3 through 8 or for high school. Once you've checked your administration, check you are in the correct school. If you test in more than one school, this is where you would change between schools. Once you've checked these two things, look in the middle of the screen and find the testing section. Click the drop down and choose Students in Sessions. On the left side of the screen is the session list. Click on the Add a Session button and start to type in your name or the session proctor's name. The sessions will auto-populate. Choose your correct session and click Add Selected. If your session is not already prepared or started, you may go ahead and click the Prepare button. It may take 30 seconds to a minute to prepare. Once it's prepared, you can hit the Start button. Now you should see all of your students in the session. Next, you'll want to slide the slider from the lock position to the right to the unlocked position. Students will not be able to access the test if the correct session has not been unlocked. Using the blue refresh button in the upper right, refresh your screen to check the status of students every 5 to 10 minutes. If a student has an issue and is kicked out of the test, you will need to resume their test so they can continue. In order to get the student back in the test, scroll down and find the student's name. You should see that they have changed from in progress to exited. Click the downward arrow next to the red exited button and choose resume. Now have the student try to log back into TestNav. If you run into issues, please use your building-based procedures for help.